Hello, all the audience from YouTube. This is Foshan JHR Smart Tech. We are the aluminum manufacturer for gates and fans. Today, I'm going to introduce our aluminum biofolding gates, which is this gate is the perfect blend of functionality and style. Here is some reasons I will going to introduce why this biofolding gate is the styler choice for your home and business. One of the big characteristics is the rust resistant. Our aluminum alloy gates are designed to withstand the elements. Unlike the traditional metal or iron gates, these aluminum biofolding gates don't rust, which ensuring a long last and a beautiful appearance with the powder-coated surface treatment. And also, we have the wood gray finish. If you love the look of wood but want the durability of metal, we have got you covered. Our gates come with a wood gray finish option, which is combining elegance with practicality. Our biofolding gate is equipped with the R motor for smooth and effortless operation. Our gates are equipped with an advanced R motor. This ensures reliable performance and ease for your gate of use every time. Also, we will offer tailored folding accessory. We offer a range of folding accessory that tailored to your needs, providing seamless operation and a slim look. Also, every biofolding accessory is customized, which will perfectly suit every customized size biofolding gate. Our biofolding aluminum gate is the space-saving and easy installation. The biofolding gates are perfect for areas where space is limited. They are folded neatly, saving valuable space, and are designed for easy installation, making the process quick and hassle-free. Choosing our aluminum alloy biofolding gate for your durable and perfect space-saving, stylish solutions. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions or inquiry for our biofolding aluminum gates, don't hesitate to contact us and reach out for more information. This is Foshan JHR Smart Tech. We are always at your service.